Copilot for PowerPoint also like an amazing solution where instead of taking weeks in creating PowerPoints, all you need to do is just click on transform a file, give it a file, and click next, and boom, you will have an amazing PowerPoint created for you based on that context. And what I really, really love is that every single slide, the notes section will be actually the content in the original document, so you can speak through while presenting. And you can tell it anything, like, I don't like this design, make it darker, make it more professional, make it lighter, make it more precise, add this data graph to this slide. So you just need to talk to it, and it is your personal designer assistant sitting with you creating all of this for you. So you can see how powerful it is. And then my absolute favorite, because I always was horrible with Excel, is Copilot for Excel, right? So we have that simple table. First thing we want to do is, for example, remove all decimals from the sales columns. Instead of doing it manually, just say don't show decimal points for sales amounts. And then working on it, boom, you'll see that all the decimals will disappear from anything called sales, right? And then over here, mark in yellow any sales over 500K. So it will highlight all sales that are more than $5,000, right? Or 500, $500. So then these are easy. I could do that, but that's as deep as my knowledge goes with Excel. But once we need to start getting into data and insights and pivot tables, here's where the power comes in, right? So I'll ask it, show insights for my data, right? And it's going to create all the different cool graphs that might be possible for the data that you're presenting. And then you can just tell it, add all insights into a new sheet. In that case, it's going to create a sheet number 2 with really cool graphs that I can look into and choose from. You can then, of course, take these, put them in PowerPoint, and of course, you can imagine how powerful it is. You can ask it to do calculations for you. You can ask it to inspire you with other sources of information that needs to be added. And of course, it's extremely, extremely powerful.